What's going on, guys? Today, our video is going to talk about the motor vehicle division, specifically here in Arizona. Our agency, along with a lot of other agencies that we have spoken with, have had a lot of clients calling because they've been getting letters from the motor vehicle department telling them that, hey, you don't have insurance, and unless you can prove you have insurance within 15 days, we are going to suspend your registration. And so today we're going to talk a little bit about that and tell you what you can do to solve that problem. So, number one, your insurance company, your insurance carrier will always send automatically, without you or even your broker having to do anything, will automatically send insurance verification to the motor vehicle department. They'll send it when you acquire a new policy with them, and then they will also send a cancellation notice to the motor vehicle when you cancel your insurance with them. So they'll let you know when you get insurance, and then they'll also let the motor vehicle division know when you no longer have insurance. Okay, so that's the first part. But what this does not mean is just because your insurance company sends it to the motor vehicle division, that doesn't necessarily mean that they are going to take that information and then use it appropriately and put it in their system so that they know that you have insurance. Guys, this is a government agency. They're not the best ran. So there are a lot of issues. And then also, the motor vehicle division here in Arizona switched to a new platform, a new website, a new everything. And so I believe that's what's causing these issues. And that's why these letters are going out. And that's why motor vehicle thinks that a lot of people don't have insurance when they actually do have insurance. So let me minimize my screen here, and I am going to pull this over. You can see here, this is a letter. It looks very similar to this. You can see up here, action required, insurance suspension. And it tells you, hey, our records show that you don't have Arizona liability insurance. Your registration will be suspended within 15 days if no action is taken. So you have to take action. How do you take action? What do you do? You can come here to azmvdnow.gov. This is their new website. And this is where you have to go in there. Your insurance agent cannot do it for you. Your insurance company cannot do it for you. You need to activate an account, or in my case, I've already set one up. And then once you go through all those steps, you can see here, it will automatically pull in all of your information. You can see my 3 vehicles. You can see when the registration expires. You can see the license plate. There are a number of things you can do here. Apply for a license, order a replacement license. You can see all the different things they do here. But what you want is up here, other services, and then manage insurance. When you click on that, it brings up again all your vehicles. And then here is where you can go in and update your insurance. So if you click on here, you can see it verifies the details, make sure that's all correct. And then it simply asks for a few things: the ADOT code, policy number, effective dates, and then what type of policy it is. So let me just show you real quick. If I pull this over, you can see this is your typical insurance card. This one is from Progressive. Most of the time, the ADOT code is going to be right on your ID card. So you can pull that number 0958, and boom, you pop that in there. You grab your policy number, again, effective date, and then the policy type. Click that you certify this is all true and hit submit. Once you do that, boom, they have your information. So it's a very quick, easy fix. I know you probably want to call your insurance agent, insurance broker, and yell at them and figure out why they haven't reported your insurance. Remember, it's not their fault. It's motor vehicle's fault, and you just need to go in here and update it. So that's how you can update all of your insurance on all of your vehicles. One other thing that I'll briefly touch on since we're here, and that's over here, you see the de-insurance. So a lot of times you'll have people who decide they're not going to insure their vehicle. Normally it's because they're restoring the vehicle, or the vehicle is completely broken down and it's up in their garage or it's in their backyard, and they're just not driving it ever. It never moves. And so they decide they're not going to insure it. That's fine. You can do that. But if you do that, you need to let motor vehicle know, or else they're going to suspend your registration because you don't have current insurance. So it's as simple as coming in here, de-insurance. Again, same thing. You're going to verify all the information is correct. You're going to select when you're no longer going to insure it. And then if you know the end date, you can put that in there, but you don't have to. And then the de-insurance reason, it's inoperable, you're a snowbird. A lot of times snowbirds will, leave a vehicle here in Arizona for 6 months out of the year, or if it's in storage. So you simply select those, hit submit, and then at that point, motor vehicle knows you are not driving the vehicle, you are not insuring the vehicle, and so they are not going to come after you with those nasty letters threatening to suspend your registration. So you need to do that. But long story short, it's not your insurance company, it's not your insurance broker who is not submitting that information like they should be. They are. It's just motor vehicle in Arizona, their new system is not accurately reporting that. And so that's why you're getting those letters. So it's a simple fix to jump in here, create your account and update it. Then anytime you get any letters like that, boom, it's a 30-second fix and you're done. So please reach out if you have any questions. We're always happy to help. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.